Welcome traders, Patrick at Trader, Trading123.net. In this video, we're going to talk about the Trading123 Autotrader and trading crude oil here on November 6th, 2019. We're trading 3 contracts like we do each and every day. And to start the day off, we're going for roughly $320 profit goal, which is pretty easy to obtain on 2 or 3 contracts. You only need about 18 ticks or so, 15 ticks, and you're in the money. So 9 o'clock is a lot of major movement, market, crude oil opens. So you got a lot of buy interest, and the overall trend for the past couple days in the crude oil has been going straight up, as it's been going from 53, 54, and each day keeps making new highs. So if you're shorting, you're on the wrong end of the stick. So we start the auto trader just after 9. Market has a little bit of sell-off, but the overall trend is up. And up we go. We get long here, 3 contracts, 57.06. We hit our first target, 57.11. We thought it would be a tight range day, so we had smaller contracts, and then out at 57.16, and then the runner gets us out at 57.24, and our trail stops moved up with the price action to protect our profit. And we start the day off with $314 gain minus commission on 3 trades, 100% winners. So if your daily goal is 300 a day, very easy to do here. Like I said, on 2 contracts, you just need, say, 16 ticks minus commission, then you'll hit your goal. You do 300 a day for 5 days, that's 1,500. Do the math, that's $6,000 a month. So very doable with the auto trader. Now let's look at the next trade. And today is crude oil inventory day, so the market always usually gets an up move or a down move before the inventory numbers come out. So we reset the auto trader, starts right here, right after 10 after 9. And we get in a little short. It hits its first profit goal. I had the targets the same because I thought it would be a tight range. And then the other 2 contracts get stopped out as the market did want to sell off. And then we get into a long position here at 56.27. The market goes up, hits its first profit goal, and then a little wiggle hits our stop, and we miss our whole run here. But no worries. On the trend change, we caught it short, and our goal of 300 was hit again minus commission. Now a lot of you traders think you're programmers, and we get a lot of emails from traders that say, well, why don't you have the software go short on the 4th or 5th bar? Well, that's a pretty good reason right there why we don't have it go short that quickly, because you'd be whacked. Stopped out. Boom, bam, done. Then you miss all this run. So the software works pretty good. Nails the trend changes each and every day. And so for all you novice programmers who think you know how the market works, you're wrong. Oh yeah, go short the 4th bar. Bam, stopped out. Up here, it worked perfectly because the market had exhausted itself, went to the highs of the day, a lot of profit taking. It gets short, hits our gain, and we meet our profit goal. So after the last trade, we wait till after 10 o'clock because there was some news that come out at 10 o'clock. And basically here, the market is just kind of going sideways, really slow action after 10 because the oil inventory numbers are coming out. And Basically, we let the auto trader run right into the oil inventory numbers, and just before it gets short because usually some news leaks. And of course, we upped our profit goal because we're tired of making $300 each trade. So we upped it to 420. Should have been 520. And we get immediate sell-off just before the numbers come out. And with a little slippage, it gets us out down here, and we hit our max gain goal. So that's how fast the market dipped. So that was a good trade, $494. 3 trades, 100% winners. Can't complain about that. Most traders would have missed this. That's why an auto trader is to your advantage. So after we hit that last trade, we reset the auto trader once again. It takes about 30 seconds to reset it. You just unenable it. Leave the same settings, same profit targets. And basically we get into a trend change because the market is absorbing the numbers from the oil inventories, trying to figure out good or bad. And you know, that's why the auto trader is to your advantage, because it'll figure it out for you. And it doesn't blink, it doesn't hesitate, and we just get in quick enough when we re-enable the auto trader. Takes about 15 seconds for it to get enabled and ready to start looking for a trade. And we get long 3 contracts. First contract hit, second contract hit, and then the third gets stopped out on a wiggle because we got our trail stop coming up here. So I missed some of this run. And again, for those of you that are programmers that think you should short the 4th red Renko bar, you would have been whacked again. And we get so many emails from all the expert programmers that say, oh, why doesn't your software short the 4th Renko bar? Or even the 3rd. No, it's not going to work. So up we go. Trend change, some profit taking. Hits back at the high. We get short. And we hit our profit goal with some slippage, which is always nice. And we bank it. And that's how the trade worked. So this trade hit our nice goal. And immediately I'm thinking, well, the market's going to reverse and go right back up after this sell-off. And as you see, it did. Restarted the auto trader a couple minutes after the last trade. It got into a long failed, got stopped out, which does happen. And at this point, the market is starting to fizzle out. You watch the price action. It gets short here, hits our first and second target. Then we get out by the stop, and then right here it just really slows down to a snail's pace. And it hits our first target, and it really slows down, going nowhere. And we take our gains and call it a day, and we'll repeat the same thing tomorrow. So that's how the Trading123 software works. So be sure to follow us on Facebook, like us on Twitter, and sign up for our push alerts on our website, and follow us here on YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for trading tips. Until next time, hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your trading.